Hello everyone, I'm here to post an honest review of the Nespresso Vertuo coffee and espresso machine by DeLonghi. And this machine has a dip tray that is adjustable to accommodate different coffee cup size. And but I just usually just put it at the bottom. And this machine comes apart easily on both sides for disposal and for water refill. I got the one that comes with the milk frother. How this machine works is that when it's done making coffee, all you got to do is just open the lid and the used pods just slide down there on the used capsule container. Now let me show you how this machine makes an amazing coffee. So you get your pod and put it right there, close the lid, twist, and then press that button right there and wait for it to finish. Now, while we wait for it to finish, let me show you how the milk frother works, because you can use this for hot and cold milk frother. So if you want to make hot, you put that milk right there on the inside, give it a normal push. For red for hot and blue for cold, you have pressed and hold for 3 seconds. It will give you the blue light for cold milk, and wait for it to finish. And when it's finished making coffee, all you got to do is just twist it back, open the lid, and you saw how the pods just slide in on the used capsule container. And that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.